So I think planning is a really important part to understand what you're trying to collect and ask the right questions. And if you have the right questions on hand, that makes a big step forward getting good data because you know what you're looking for. There are a lot of different offerings out there that will let you just upload images and generate an initial view of that data. You know, you can fly a GoPro and take a bunch of images, and there's software that will try to make a guess at which things overlap which parts and give you a 3D bumpy image of doing that. It's up to you to decide if that's a good enough starting point to begin from, or if that helps you decide when you need more precision to go buy into a commercial system. I think part of, back to something we talked about earlier, the idea of rapid response, getting feedback from your system early on can help you define your questions and understand when you need to go make a bigger purchase.
If I was just starting out, I would tell people to definitely identify their question up front. So if you're starting out because your neighbor already has a drone and you're like, I want to be like that guy, then do it, get the same one he does, or get something fancier. It'll be more fun. But if you're trying to identify a problem, try to identify the problem. So if you're saying, I have plugged sprinkler lines in my field, I can see it because it's brown. All my plants are brown. All right, you at least have a defined problem. Now you have to figure out, well, how do I identify brown plants? And then go from there and kind of build up there sequentially.